Yuden! Yuden! Okay, put na some there. Put na. Lagay mo. Oh. Tapos, ano ko doon? Papasok siya doon. No, you put it here. Put it here. Okay? Oh, doon. Wow. You put it there, Olvo. Ayun. Yeah, go. Wow. Again. Whoa. Ano? Uh-oh.
Go.
Sumpo. Saan ka punta? Sinong mga nandyan? Hi, Jensen. Oh, ginagawa ng mga to. Ha? What are you doing here, ha? Gumawa sila ng ano? Nilagay nyo lahat ng ano dito? Bola? Holy!
Oh no! This is the staircase.
Hello! Nag-squat na oh! May homeless!
But this is a blockage way. Nobody can go here. If somebody goes here, they're gonna get kicked out.
They're kicked out?
Yeah.
Why?
This idea so you can't come.
Pero siri no. Ano? Ano pinahali ka doon? Ay, paluin ko sila. Laka.
You didn't come here.
You go daw. Oh, go na. Wee. Good job.
So this is what Steve headed for.
Ayup pa din ang arami doon yung asa. Pasok na, Yugo na. Yugo. I will help you. Go. I will help you. Go. I will help you. Go. Go. We go nga. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Yudin. Hey. Come na. Bye-bye. We're going now, okay? Okay, let's go.
Let's just go. I'm gonna check on him.
Oh.
Yudin!
Bakit mo para?
Papa has candy.
Mi has candy, grabe ka.
Yudin, Papa has candy.
Ano? Ay, slide na siya, slide.
Can we go there?
Yeah, sure.
Let's go. Let's go there.
Ano nangyari?
Should I take his sock so I can come and get it? And
Huh?
follow us?
Huh?
Should I take his sock?
Socks what?
Because he's like guarding his socks.
No.
When I get it, here, let me. See?
Come here na. Ano?
Guys, I found the passageway. It's not a dead end.
Ha?
But it's a dead end that way.
Yeah. You find the way? Come here, Yudin. Come. Hey, why are you crying? Huh? Hey, come na. Come na, Yudin. Are you go na? 2, 1, go! Whee! You're good? Okay, go.
Hi, Papa.